Take a ride in the 2018 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.